Hello and welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So the unpack event for Samsung hasn't even been done, and we already got hands-on Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, and it lands on eBay before launch, and it just confirms the design as such. As you can see on the screen here, this is the design. Yeah, from this angle, do not it is not bulky. From this angle it looks bulky because of the camera angle as such, but the rotating bezel is still here, as you can see on the screen here, and it is squarish. It is 46 mega millimeter, not megabytes, 46 millimeter of variant of Watch 8 Classic. It looks interesting and it is similar to Watch 8 Ultra, and as long as you see it, it will grow on you. As you can see on the screen here, there's two buttons and one action button. I will just call it action button. But yeah, and as you can see from the back, it also has the same design principle and same latching mechanism as that of Watch Ultra. And yeah, it is to be expected because you can't get multiple Watch Ultra variants in 1 year every year because there's not major changes happening. But as you can see on the screen here, it's this is the back portion, this is the front portion of the sample, this is the back. From the front you can see, yeah, it's Watch 8 Classic. As you can see, when it's booted and it needs a device to pair, which is expected, and this is the complete thing. It's a hands-on of Watch 8 Ultra. But yeah, Watch 8 is out in the air right now. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the news? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section down below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.